Let's practice our doubles facts. Ready? 0 plus 0 equals 0. Oh. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Ooh. 2 plus 2 equals 4. More. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Kicks. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Again. All right, today you're going to learn another way to write number facts. You will also learn some more double facts. Now, look at this number fact right here. We usually write 1 plus 1 equals 2 like this. This is called a number sentence, and we read it from left to right like a word sentence. Now, we can also write our number facts like this. Watch. Whoops. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So this is the same number sentence or same fact, and this is how we read it. We start from the top and we say 1, and then we write the plus symbol next to the second number down here. So it's 1 plus 1, and this line right here is like the equal system or symbol. So we have 1 plus 1 equals 2. All right, guys, look at this. This is the way we've been looking at our math facts, or doubles math facts. This is called the horizontal way to write it. And we just learned on the last slide that you can also write the doubles facts a vertical way, which is what these are over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually match the math facts, the horizontal way to write it, with the vertical way to write it. So let's look at the first one. It says 0 plus 0 equals 0. Point over here and see if you can find the matching way to write this number sentence. If you pointed right here, nice job. So you're right. These two match. So I'm going to put it right there. All right, let's look at the next one. This one is written horizontally. It says 1 plus 1 equals 2. Can you find the vertical way to write that? Point to it. If you said this one, awesome. I'm just going to move it a little bit closer. And let's look at the next one. This is 2 plus 2 equals 4. All right, that's the horizontal way to write it. Can you find the vertical match? If you said this guy, you're right. I'm going to move him over here. Let's look at the next one. This says 3 plus 3 equals 6. That's the horizontal way to write it. Can you find the vertical match? If you said this guy, nice job. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to shrink these down. Look at how small I can make them so that I can fit them very close to the number sentence. Whoopsie. They're so little now, aren't they? All right, let's shrink this guy down too. It's like I have magic powers. That slide's over there. There we go. All right, let's look at the next one. This says 4 plus 4 equals 8. Can you find the vertical match? Yes, it's this guy. All right, let's shrink him down so I can stick him next to his horizontal friend. All right, and the last one is 5 plus 5 equals 10. You got it. Here's his vertical match. I'm going to shrink him down and move him over here. Now look, all these guys, you can see that the facts can either be written this way, which is horizontal. What way is this? Horizontally. Or you can write them vertically, which is like this. All right, so here we have a vertical doubles math fact. Let's read what it says. 4 plus 4 equals, and we have to figure out what it is. Hopefully you already know, but we're going to do it using our linking cubes. So what's the first number in our math fact? It's a 4. So I want you to take your linking cubes and we're going to make a tower of 4 with one color. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then let's look at the second number. What number is that? That's also a 4. So with your other linking cubes, the other color, you're going to make a tower, another tower of 4. All right, we've got our two towers here, one representing the first number, the other representing the other number. What do you notice about the two towers? If you said they're different colors, that's right. What about the height of the towers? Are they the same? Yeah, they are the same because it's the same two numbers that they're representing, right? All right, how many cubes, if we put both towers together, let me do that now. How many cubes do you think, it's gonna look a little, let me do it from the bottom. How many cubes do you think it's gonna be all together? Let's count and see, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which makes sense, right? Because 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. All right, let's look at our next math fact. What does this say? Ready? Say it with me. 3 plus 3 equals. All right, we're going to use our linking cubes to figure out that answer. So we're going to take our first set, 1, 2, 3. And now we need to represent the second number, and for that we're going to use our other color. 1, 2, 3. All right, so now we've got a tower of 3 and a tower of 3. Besides them being different colors, do you notice anything about their heights? They're the same height again. That's right, because they're both representing the same number. All right, if we put them together, well, I know it looks like a really crazy tower. Let's see how many we get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which makes sense because 3 plus 3 equals 6. All right, take a look at these math facts. Does anyone know what these facts are called? If you said the doubles, you were right. Now let's try to figure out why they're called the doubles. If you said it's because both numbers are the same, then you're right. That's how we find the doubles. Both numbers in the number fact are the same. Good job. These are our newest doubles fact. And in the next slides, we're going to figure out the answers to each of these. Let's start with this math fact here. Let's say it together. Ready? 6 plus 6 equals. And we have to figure out what the answer is. And we're going to do that using our linking cubes. So the first number of linking cubes we need is how many? 6. That's right. So let's start with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what's the second number? It's also a 6. So we're going to represent that using the blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, what do we notice about the towers? They're both the same. They're both the same height because they are both the same number of linking cubes. Good. Now, the way we can figure out the answer to this is if we put the linking cubes together. So I'm going to, do that. Remember, our tower looks a little crazy when we do this. I'm going to again start at the bottom. There we go. All right, let's count and see what the answer is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer to 6 plus 6 is, whoops, I don't want to write it that in yellow, is 12. Time to figure out our next math, our doubles fact. Let's say this one together. Ready? 7 plus 7 equals. All right, we're going to figure out the answer by using our linking cubes. So what's the first number of linking cubes that we need? 7, right. All right, so let's do that. 1, start up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you put 7 linking cubes in your tower. And then what is the second number? It's also a 7. Good. So with my other color, I'm going to build a tower with 7 linking cubes in that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, we have our 2 towers. And what do you notice besides them being different colors? They're the same height because they're the same number of linking cubes in each tower. Now, what I want you to do is to put your 2 towers together, and then we're going to count and see how many linking cubes we have all together. If I put my towers together, it's going to be off the screen. But I'd like you to put your 2 towers together, and then let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that means that 7 plus 7 equals 14. Let's figure out the answer to our next math fact. Let's read it together. This one says 8 plus 8 equals. All right, let's figure out the answer using our linking cubes. So take one of your colors and build a tower of 8. I'm going to do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and then we're going to build a tower for the second number. What number is that? It's 8. So use your other color and build a second tower of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, very good. Now, I want you to put your 2 towers together and let's figure out the answer to this newest doubles fact. All right, got them together? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the answer to 8 plus 8 equals is 16. All right, and the last math fact we're going to figure out today, let's say it together. 9 plus 9 equals. Let's figure out the answer by using our linking cubes. So how many linking cubes are going to be in your first tower? That's right, a 9. So go ahead and make a tower of 9 with one of your colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then how many linking cubes are going to be in your second tower? Another 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And look, my towers are the same height again because they have the exact same number in them. Very good. All right, put your 2 towers together. It's going to be really tall. And let's count and see how many linking cubes we have all together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So the answer to 9 plus 9 is 18. So boys and girls, you have been given your very first set of fact cards. So you are to keep these at home. You're going to tear them or cut them apart so that each one is all by itself. If it helps you, you can write the answer down here below. Or what I would recommend is you flip the card over and write the answer on the back so that people can help you study with these. They can hold up the flashcard, you can think and then say the answer and then flip the card over and see if you're right. Practice as much as you can. Keep them in the car. Practice them in the car. Practice them in your family room. Practice them in the backyard. Practice them at the mailbox. Wherever you go, practice, practice, practice. Have fun.